Okay, here's our early turkey dinner. You want to uncover it? Okay, good morning, guys. Hubby's making breakfast. Breakfast is ready. There's our turkey. We have an 11-pound turkey that we got for free. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a, ooh, there's a trifle. We're gonna make a early turkey dinner. So I'll show you guys the process throughout and wish us luck because this is the first time that we've roasted a turkey from scratch before. So we defrosted it in this pot right here using the cold water method and changing the water out every 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna try and clean the turkey out. I guess you have to clean out the giblets and the stuff out of the cavity. So I'm gonna attempt to do that now. There it is! Where was it? In the neck.
How many people does it take to cook a turkey?
Do you guys want to name our turkey?
Up to you, you guess.
I don't know. I don't know what it. I want to name it something with a T.
So Tammy the turkey.
It's a girl.
It's a girl?
Yeah, I think it's
I
a
guess
girl.
now it's a girl.
Okay, it's a girl.
Okay, hi guys, I hope you guys can see me. We're in the car right now because we have 45 minutes until we have to baste the turkey, and we have to go to Walmart to pick up a baster,
Yeah, a baster.
canned whipped cream, one of those Patti Labelle pies, and a thermometer.
Oh, I
yeah,
didn't-
so 4 things. Okay, so we have 45 minutes. Let's go. Okay, here we are at Walmart, guys. Let's go. Get a cart. They have these, but I don't see the Patti one.
Yeah.
Here's some pies. Let's check here. Do you see any?
On my market side.
Huh. Oh my god, you guys. The last one. Oh gosh. Yay, I found it. Look, babe, we got the last one. Okay, here we go.
Which one is it?
Let's just get original, extra creamy. Probably original. Alright. 2 out of 4, let's go. There we go, this one. Okay, here's a baster. Is there like a thermometer around here? Or do we gotta go to the gadgets? Okay, let's go to the gadget. Okay, Haley found the thermometer. Good deal. Let's go, grab that one, yeah. Okay, we found this color instead. I like this one better. Yeah, teal's better, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Okay, done. Hey, we made it, you guys. Now we gotta hurry because we need a baste. Oh my god, it looks good. It smells. Oh, the gravy's getting better. Oh, it looks good. Okay, here's our early turkey dinner. You want to uncover it? Here's the big reveal. There it is. Our first turkey from scratch. Looks pretty good. So there's some stuffing, some mashed potatoes, gravy, Cheddar Bay Biscuits, broccoli, trifle, and sweet potato pie.
And they got the wish
Ready?
And it's not working.
Oh, mine broke. I win.
Yay! Don't forget to like and favorite this video, comment and connect with us down below, share this channel with everyone you know, and subscribe to be a part of our Tamayoshi fandom. Alright you guys, until the next video, I'll see you. Bye!
That piece of meat.
Oh.
More?
Yeah, should be good, huh?
One more. Bam.
Bite. That's okay. Get the tail. Get the tail. Get the tail. Tail, don't jump on me. Get the pits. Get the pits. Oh.
How many people does it take to cook a turkey?